जहां पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। It happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। It happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए। जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए। मुंह से तो कुछ ना बोले, चुपके चुपके नीर बहाए।
I want to welcome each one of you this evening. Thank you for coming, even though the weather is bad, but you are here and we appreciate that. We will also make all effort to make this evening enjoyable, very memorable. At this time, I would like to invite Rajesh Chalam to sing few numbers for us. He is a software IT professional and he is a passionate music lover. He is trained in Hindustani classical music. He loves singing classical and semi-classical songs, ghazals, along with Bollywood Hindi film songs. He has performed several TV shows, including Zee TV's Saregama, Zee TV, Antakshri, Doordarshan, Awaaz Ki Duniya, and few other local TV channels in Mumbai, and also given a radio program in Vivid Bharati.
First of all, let me welcome you all. I know it's bright and sunny outside. Sorry, just kidding. I know I'm from Bloomington, Illinois, and I wish to thank Rishikant ji for this wonderful opportunity and Catherine also for coordinating. रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। सारा जहां है आए शराबी मौसम बहकाए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। क्या बात है, वेरी बिग हैंड टू दिस कपल प्लीज। आंखों से आंखें मिलती है ऐसे, बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे। आंखों से आंखें मिलती है ऐसे, बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे। मौज कोई साहिल से टकराए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए।
before. Sanjay, especially you and your wife, charming wife. Thank you. On behalf of our manager of Midwest, Mr. Rishikant Singh, and the entire Air India Chicago team, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests from the Travel Trade Fraternity, all our flight handling service providers, our members of the legal team, our members of the medical team, and our friends from the media to this annual Agents Award function. Air India has always laid emphasis in recognizing and extending all support to its travel trade partners, and the healthy passenger load factors are an indicator of the focus and determination with which our partners in the travel trade have promoted Air India in the face of increasing competition. We are hopeful that this support, which is mutually beneficial, will always be extended to Air India. On behalf of Air India, I convey my heartiest congratulations to the awardees and thank the media and all of our other business associates for gracing the function. With this, I would like to request Mr. Rishikant Singh, our manager Midwest, to address the gathering. Thank you.
झूमर भी मैं भूल गई जान जा तेरे लिए, अरे झुमका भी मैं भूल गई जान जा तेरे लिए, अरे मैं तो सब कुछ भूल गई जाने जा तेरे लिए, तेरे लिए, तेरे लिए, तेरे लिए।
तो फिर क्या हुआ?
अरे छोड़ छाड़ गए अपने सलीम की गली, ओए होए छोड़ छाड़ गए अपने सलीम की गली, अनारकली डिस्को
मशहूर अब तो तेरी मेरी लव स्टोरी, तेरी ब्यूटी ने मुझको मार डाला छोरी। थोड़ा सा दे अटेंशन, मिटा दे मेरी टेंशन, आज तेरा बदन है, तेरे टच में जलन है। तू कोई आइटम बम है, मेरा दिल भी गरम है। ठंडा ठंडा कूल कर दे, ब्यूटीफुल भूल कर दे। अरे तू है दवा हर दर्द की, हर दर्द की। अरे छोड़ छोड़ के अपने सलीम की गली।
आय हाय छोड़ झाड़ के अपने सलीम की गली, अनारकली डिस्को चली।
अरे देख के तुझको दिल में मैं जीने कलबली।
We want all our evenings to be fun. We were hoping more of you would join us on the floor for the same reason, because then we have better memories for the next year and the years after that. We intend to build on this, and this is going to be an ongoing program of Air India, is to keep you involved, to keep you together, and we need to march together forward. Air India, as you know, is a very old airline. I think I've asked this question on some other forums.
1932.
Exactly. Before I can ask the question, I've got the answer. I remember seeing people actually coming for a domestic flight, Bombay-Delhi, all used to be suited, booted. Not a single passenger used to come in casual clothes. Those were the days. And you can forget about, flying abroad. In 40s and 50s, it used to take 2.5 to 3.5 days to reach America. That was how the journey was. 14 hours, 15 hours, we do a non-stop to Delhi. And add another 3 hours in any corner of India, we are there. And I am sure that it's just a matter of time where technology will make us jump and we'll be there in 3 hours or 4 hours. Just a matter of time. So it is that Air India that we belong to, we associate with, all of us in this room are associated with. So we can proudly say that we are part of history and we are making history every day. Every day that Air India goes forward, you are associated with the 83, 84 years that have gone by, and in fact more. But even if you count from 53, we've done a real quantum jump. One of the few surviving airlines with its original name that is still flying. Most airlines have closed down, most have been bought over, most have merged. So that distinction still belongs to India. That we have a national airline, one of the oldest, and strangely one of the youngest. Today, it may surprise a lot of people that, a general perception is Air India has got old aircraft and very old people. As you can see, even the old people can take to the floor very nicely. That, the kind of safety records airlines have, it is far safer to fly today and has been for the last 10 years than to drive on any road in any part of our planet. So when I look back, I say, whether I joined the right industry, I think so. It's a very glamorous organization. More than that, the industry is far more glamorous. Our customers are glamorous. We are supposed to be equally glamorous to take care of our customers. And that's very important. It's important to give service. It's very important to keep our customers engaged. And for that, the only difference we make is ourselves. Any organization is as strong as its people. And it applies to our industry. Some of the most, I would say, talented people are attracted to our industry in one place or the other. And that's what keeps this going. It is the spirit of involvement, the need to be of service, the need to look international, to have very wide horizons, global horizons, and the spirit to have fun. All the problems go away. you can bear just about anything. And I think that's true even of our company. We are facing financial challenges, but frankly, we have overcome it. We have started making tremendous progress towards viability as far as cash, I would say cash flows are concerned. We are very solid. We have started making cash profits. We are not making total profits, but from the time when we were losing hell of a lot of money, today it's very much under control. And we are actually planning to come out of it much before it was projected. And I think more than the government, what we support is the NRI community that lives abroad. Many of you would have taken your first flight, it's very likely to be on Air India. The older generation you go, you will find the probability of them having flown only Air India is extremely high. And I'm sure that in the industry, you know, there are a lot of people even today choose Air India when they have choices which are at least $200 to $300 cheaper per passenger. So imagine for a family of 4, and yet they say, give me only Air India. How did that happen? Despite all the bad publicity and press, there is something good that's happening. And for that, credit goes to all of you. You are all extensions of Air India. It's not us, it's you who sell Air India. We don't sell anything. We simply make the aircraft available. That's all. And we try to fly it as safely and as fast as possible from point A to point B. That's our job. Selling is up to you. And I think you're doing a wonderful job. The second important reason we are here today is, despite the weather, we were very confident that we can stand up to it. Chicagoans are known to stand against any kind of weather. A 2-inch snow can bring Georgia down, but a 20-inch snow will not bring Chicago down. That's the resilience of the people here. A very important landmark for us was 26th January, which is the 65th Republic Day. So on this occasion, I want to wish all of you the 65th Republic Day of India, to which at least in some way we are connected, at least being connected to India through Air India at least, and most of us do have roots in India as well. It's a wonderful thing. And India is at a cusp where very many young people are there. I think most of you are aware. Average age of India is under 27 years, or maybe even lesser. It's a youthful country. And that youthful vigor will be connected to us. We having connections in India, we will imbibe some of the youthfulness even as we share our experiences with them. This is what the NRI community does. You stand as ideals. They look up to you. You may not be aware, or maybe you're aware, but a lot of people in India look up to the people abroad, the Indians who are successful abroad, the Indians who are settled abroad, and they look to them for all kinds of leadership, not just financial, but also moral and ethical leadership. And that is something great. And to that extent, America is a great place to be. And you people have invested your life here. I think I salute you on that. So let's get on with the show this evening. I think it's been a very nice evening. I must say the agents who are being recognized are supported by hundreds of other agents who are not necessarily in the forefront, but who are the strength and pillar of our industry. So with this, please enjoy the rest of the evening, and of course, Catherine will take it forward.
First award goes to Natraj Travel for doing 1.8 million. Next award goes to Rhea Travel for doing 1.8 million.
Our third prize goes to Livia Travels, Mr. Siddiqui, who has contributed 1.7 million.
Next award goes to Slimer Travels Houston
for achieving 1 million in sales.
Now the $2.7 million award goes to Mr. Rizwan of RK Travels.
Mr. Asghar Mukhani from Aero Travels for 2.7 million. Next we have Mrs. Gandhi from Direct Express for $2 million.
Next award goes to Crispy Travel for doing 2 million.
$4 million award goes to Devan Travels, Jayashree Shah.
$5 million award goes to Skybird Chicago.
Next move on to the next level. I think I'll have to invite Skybird, Mr. Umesh Patel for $7 million.
The next award goes to Pravina Air Tours for $9 million. And finally, we have the $11 million award goes to Orbitz. I believe there's no one from Orbitz present here today to take the award.
ताकते रहते तुझको सांझ सवेरे, नैनों में हाय, नैनों में तुझको सांझ सवेरे, नैनों में बसियां जैसे नैन ये तेरे, नैनों में बसियां जैसे नैन ये तेरे, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन। पहले पहल तुझे देखा तो दिल मेरा धड़का है, धड़का धड़का है। पहले पहल तुझे देखा तो दिल मेरा धड़का है, धड़का धड़का है। जल जल उठा हूँ मैं शोला जो प्यार का भड़का बहकाए, नींदों में घुल गए हैं सपने जो तेरे, बदले से लग रहे हैं अंदाज मेरे, बदले से लग रहे हैं अंदाज मेरे। तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन।
नीले नीले अंबर पर